Need to block screenshot on WhatsApp profile picture? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily block taking screenshot of your profile picture. Well, right now, WhatsApp has a default feature where you are not able to take the screenshot of any of the profile picture. The policy have restricted from taking the screenshot. So if this feature is not updated, then head over to the App Store of your device. In the address bar, you need to search for WhatsApp. Now move into this app right here. Instead of open, if you see the option of update, then simply click on update and update the application to the latest version. Wait for a while for it to update. And once you're done updating, tap on open. If you're using the updated version of the app, then people will not be able to take the screenshot of your profile picture, or else move into you at the bottom right corner of the screen. In this section, you need to head over to privacy. Move into profile picture. You can set it to nobody as well. That way the profile picture will also not be available to anyone, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.